had to give me cough drops.
You can't really do everything.
I hate cough drops. I hate them. Cough drops. No, no. I hate cough drops. No cough drops. No cough drop. I hate cough drops. I'm out of here. Woo!
Come here, please.
Shit. Gummy bears. Delicious. Mm. 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 Nom 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 nom. Baboo. Baboo. A bow and arrow. Cool. Oh, that's broken. Yay! I am weird, I am weird, I am weird, I am weird. Because I am weird. W-I-E-R-D. W-I-E-R-D. Nah. Nah, 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 nah.
Why? You can't videotape everything. Space.
I know.
No, you don't seem to know. Take this question.
Oh, you gave me a cough drop? No! No! Bam! My chin was trolling Jerry. I hate / like cough drops. Yay. But today we're going to be going to the thrift shop. Well, I won't say the thrift shop, but it's something like the thrift shop. Oh, I am stuck in the doorway. Help me! I will have to reveal my fate now. Arrgh! I had a die iPad. Okay, I didn't die. Yay! I survived. Yo, I am making you sick, right? Whammo! But today we will be going to the thrift shop. Split. Oh, that hurts. Yay. Let's see if I can window. Oh, wait, I forgot. Ooh. Whoop.